Hello everyone! Welcome back. It's time for another multilingual language lesson. This time we will be focusing on 7 words in particular, the days of the week. Here's how to say the days of the week in 10 languages. Here we go! Zondag, Montag, dienstag, mittwoch, donnerstag, fredag, Shabbos, Søndag, mandag, tirsdag, onsdag, torsdag, fredag, lørdag. Here's a little fun fact about the days of the week in the North Germanic languages, Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, and Icelandic. They are named after the Norse gods. Tyr is tirsdag, Odin is onsdag, Thor is torsdag, and Frigg is fredag. Zonntag, montag, dienstag, mittwoch, donnerstag, freitag, samstag, Suunintai, Maanantai, tiirstai, keskiviikko, torstai, perjantai, lørdag. As in German and Yiddish, Wednesday in Finnish literally translates to midweek. Yom Rishon, Yom Sheni, Yom Shlishi, Yom Revi'i, Yom Chamishi, Yom Shishi, Yom Shabbat. In Hebrew, the days of the week are pretty easy to remember. It's just the ordinal numbers plus the word for day, Yom, first day, second day, third day. All except for Saturday though, which is not Yom Shavi'i, seventh day, but Yom Shabbat, the day of Sabbath. Søndag, mandag, tirsdag, onsdag, torsdag, fredag, lørdag. Lana Sabic, Jidovnich, Jiluing, Jimarsht, Jikietain, Jiordoin, Jihana, Jisaharna. Søndag, mandag, fredag, midvikudag, femtedag, førstedag, lørdag. Sunday, Monday, tirsday, onsdag, torsdag, fredag, lørdag. Nedjelä, ponjali, utteri, skedda, čtvrtek, pátek, sobota. That's all we've got for today. Is there another word or collection of words you'd like to know how to say in these languages? If so, comment it down below. And as usual, tack för idag, להתראות, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!